Welcome sa signayan.com. This video ay tutuloy natin yung ating series about absolute value inequalities. No? From the previous videos, ang pinag-aralan natin is that if the absolute value of x is less than a certain number, for example, yung 5, then yung solution set are the numbers na malapit sa 5. Between negative 5 and 5 at malapit sa 0. No? Kasi pag sinabi natin absolute value, ibig sabihin nun ay distance from 0. So pag ang distance from 0 ay less than 5, so nandito lang siya. No? For example, ditong part na to mga 4 point something maybe yan. So less than 5 siya. Ganon din dito, no? Ang distance from 0 is less than 5. Ganon din dito. Ganon din dito, no? So basically, ito yung solution set. Lahat ng points na yan ay less than 5 yung distance niya from 0, no? And if x is greater than if the absolute value of x is greater than 5, andito naman siya sa opposite nitong, sa complement nitong area na to, no? Kasi pag nandito ka, that's more than 5 units away from 0, no? Maybe 6 or 7. Ganon din dito, no? So, kung algebraically sa inequality, pag ang description nito ay x is less than 5 and x is greater than negative 5. No? So, ganito pagkasulat niya. And ito naman, x is less than negative 5 or x is greater than 5. No? So, hindi ko masyadong i-detalye. Ito kasi na-discuss ko na ito from the previous videos. Mas maganda na umpisahan nyo itong series na to kung gusto nyong maintindihan talaga yung ibig sabihin. No? In this video, ang gagawin lang natin is itutuloy natin yung tutorial on how to solve absolute value inequalities, no? So basically mahahati siya dito sa, it's either ito yung form niya or ito, no? So for example, we have absolute value of, let's have another example. Absolute value of 5 minus 3x is less than or equal to 6, no? So, pareho rin siya dito, may equal lang siya, no? So, ganito yung form natin, yung nasa gitna, ito yung expression na yun. Tapos, meron tayong 6 sa kabila, at saka negative 6 sa kabila. So, magiging 5 minus 3x, tatanggalin natin yung absolute value sign, tulad dito. And we have less than or equal to 6, tsaka greater than or equal to negative 6, no? And then, pag we have to eliminate 5. No? Tatanggalin natin yung 5 dito para ang goal natin, by the way, is to leave x here. No? Dapat x na lang matitira dito. So, negative 6 minus 5 para matanggal yung 5 sa gitna. Magma-minus 5 tayo sa lahat ng expressions tsaka ng numbers. No? So, magiging negative 6 minus 5 is less than or equal to 5 minus 3x minus 5, which is less than or equal to 6 minus 5. No? So, magiging negative 11, 5 minus 5 is 0. So, magiging negative 3x na lang matitira dito at dito ay 1 na lang. No? So, you don't have to do this. No? Kung magaling na kayo sa equations, actually pwede siyang mentally yung gagawin. No? Dinidetalye lang natin para dun sa mga iba. No? So, the next step is to divide all the expressions by negative 3 para x na lang yung matitira dito. So, dito magiging negative 11 over negative 3. Remember, pag nag-divide tayo ng negative, babaliktad yung ating inequality sign. No? So, naalala nyo yan. Tinuro ko na yan before. So, magiging negative 3x over negative 3. And then, babaliktad rin ito. Magiging 1 divided by negative 3. No? So, mangyayari magiging negative divided by negative is positive. So, 11 over 3 is greater than or equal to x, which is greater than or equal to negative 1/3. Negative 1/3 ito, no? 1 over negative 3. So, by convention, usually yung negative nilalagay natin siya sa, o yung maliit na number, usually nilalagay natin siya sa kaliwa. Although tama na to, no? So, magiging x is less than or equal to greater than or equal to negative 1/3, but less than or equal to 11/3. So ito yung ating solution. Ibig sabihin, pag meron tayong number line, this is 0. This is negative 1. This is negative 2. Ang negative 1/3 natin ay around here, di ba? Around here. Tapos yung 11/3 natin, 11/3 is 3 2/3, no? So, magiging 1, 2, 3, 4. So, nandito siya. 3 2/3. 3 2/3, no? So, nandito siya. Yung solution ng ano natin, ng inequality is from here up to here. So, this is negative 1/3 up to 3 2/3. And yung dulo niyan ay solid point kasi meron tayong equal dito. So, pag walang equal, di ba? Pag-aaralan natin before na hindi siya solid, no? Parang meron siyang empty space, no? Yung circle. Actually, point yan, but we represent it as a circle. Okay, so let's have our second example. We have absolute value of x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 7. So ito naman, this is the second form niya, no? So mag-OR tayo. Hindi siya katulad ng una kanina kasi greater than siya. So magiging x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 7, or x minus 3 is less than or equal to negative 7. So isang negative, isang positive. Tapos yung sa negative, syempre less than. And yung sa positive, more than. No? So we add 3 to both sides. X is greater than or equal to. Pag nag-add ako ng 3 dito, mag-add din ako ng 3 dito. Mawawala na itong minus 3 dito kasi minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So, greater than or equal to 10. Tapos ito naman, pag nag-add ako ng 3, magiging x minus 3 plus 3, magiging 0 ulit. It's less than or equal to, what is negative 7 plus 3? That's negative 4. So, ang solution set niyan ay, if this is 0, this is 10, and this is negative 4. So, less than or equal to negative 4 siya. So, ito yung negative 4 kasama siya kasi may equal siya. Punta dito. Yan yung graph niya. So, kaliwa. And never mind the line, no? But, syempre dapat maayos yan pag kayo ay nag-test, no? But anyway, ito naman ay greater than or equal to 10. So, mas malaki siya sa 10. Pakanan na siya. So, ito yung kanyang graph, no? The solution set. And again, kasama yung negative 4 tsaka yung 10. No? Yung solid point tayo kasi meron tayong equal sign. Okay, that's it. I hope may akong natutunan sa video na to. We will have more examples in the next video. Gusto ko yung invite sa zip9.com, yung ating website, sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/zip9ph. And of course, our Facebook page, facebook.com/zip9ph. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.